Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
It is really important to me to have a good phone mount in our car so that we can drive safely, hands-free, but also have our phone available for navigation. And when I'm in the passenger seat, I also like my phone up where I can see it. This one by Scosche is super nice. If you do not have an iPhone, we don't. They have this really nice adapter ring. So it comes as a sticker and there is a nice little template. So you put it on perfectly on your phone and your phone will stick great to this. Another thing I really love about this is I was able to move it from our windshield to our dash, and the stickiness was still sticky enough that it held in place perfectly. So it has not only the stickiness, but it has a nice little suction cup switch. So you can wiggle it around with just a sticky. You push that down and it is not going anywhere. This is after I've had it on my windshield for a couple weeks. It also is so easy to move your phone, whether you want it to face the driver, the passenger, or you want it to be vertical, horizontal. It is a piece of cake and is very easy to do while you're driving. If you need a phone mount, this one is great.
And that's my point of view.